Okay, back with us, and we've got the third set going. First two sets going the way of the Lady Eagles. They're not playing together, Aureliana. They got to play together.
Yep.
And we got Ami Ahumiro seeing action. We got a lot of new faces also for Ateneo on the floor for the first time. We've got Bea Tan, who will play at the libero position. Wait, if I'm not mistaken, save for Ferrer and Dakis, looks like Roger Gorayab is also looking ahead down the road.
Yep. Tama naman yun. Yun talaga ang pinakamagandang gawin ni Coach Roger.
Ami Ahumiro almost lost her concentration. And look at this, Valdez. Ibiza, however, kept it in play. Tikar, free ball. Jam. Valdez, hello. Such a smart move.
That's right. Eliza Valdez looking at 3 blockers in front of her. The easiest na pwedeng gawin.
Ano yun? Ini-Instagram muna, no?
Ano? parang SOP. Nakita mo na 3 blockers. Kunti depensa sa likod.
Huwag mo nga naman ipadala.
Oh, Bea Tan digging it.
Can you imagine Ateneo practices Bea Tan and Brendan Lazaro as it ends?
Credit half that point to Bea Tan with the dig and Eliza Valdez putting an
Why are they smiling afterwards? They're laughing at...
Kate.
More than... Hindi pinagtatawanan yung kalaban.
Hindi,
no?
Minsan lang, di ba, ganun yung dating. Pero sometimes they're actually, di ba, laughing at something na siguro joke or miss-it.
Actually, ang pangit ng set mo.
Diba?
Actually, Jem, pangit ng set mo.
Malamang.
In the meantime, Game Balse trying to get her young team going. I would go to the veterans.
Yes.
All throughout this
Kunin
third
mo
set.
lang muna. Kunin mo lang yung kumpiyansa.
Huwag mo nang problemahin yung distribution.
Talking about confidence, Eliza Valdez is nailing another one.
You know, here's the funny part. Nene and Ging probably see a little of themselves in Eliza Valdez when they were
yes.
young. Shakey's for fun family pizzas gotta be Shakey's.
Most definitely.
Dakis. Tikar, right place to go. Sagun kneeling down for it. Hello, nagkagulo yung dalawang lola.
Natawa din sila.
And I say that with fondness, ha? Namatay ang bola, namatay yung momentum.
Kasi kanina sabi mo, Coach 6 eh. Kasi sabi naman ni Coach Roger kanina, pwedeng 6.
Then the referee said it was my fault.
Okay.
Ayun, in a nice way.
Arellano, in that second set, Sev, ang Arellano, in spite of yung hindi masyadong close set na yun, Arellano 13 attack points, Ateneo only having 1-4 at 14.
Yeah.
Napaka-silent lang, but
Yes.
it was really a close one. But against the serve ang Ateneo, 4 aces as against none for Arellano.
Axel is our official outfit here in the Shakey's B League. Referees, cameramen, everybody wears Axel. The lady from New Zealand gets a point, and it's 6-1.
Napakalayo na, ang hirap na naman mag-habol niyan. Ano na ang ginagawa doon? Tinatap-tap na tayo ng kalaban natin. Ready tayo sa mga short ball na bola. Uy, ang bagal mo naman kasi. Paano niya? Itigin niya, itigin niya.
Here's a look at that last play. I think this is the one where Ami Ahumiro gets a block. Okay.
Well, Tikar with 17 sets, Ferrer with 23.
Oh, Ging Balsa. Arellano, very simple. Just go to your veterans right now.
Doon muna. Balik mo lang yan. Balik mo lang
Take
yung
this set.
kumpiyansa.
Don't worry about distribution. Don't think of equal rights now. You gotta get back into this game. This is not a democracy right now. Ooh. But even Ging,
Yep.
remember the time when Lola was a derogatory term? But I love it. It's a nice term. But di ba,
Oo.
Lola, matanda na. But di ba,
Lolo.
when showbiz got around and they said, "Oy, yung Lola mo, ganda ng Lola mo."
Well, ang lola mo na si Eliza Valdez, 11
Ayun.
points na. Si Daki's having 7. Kainglet with the same number. Tejada with 5.
Magiging Lola din yung mga yan.
Tagal pa.
Okay.
Well, Balse having 9 points already. Bautista with 7. Di tayo sanay. Nasa
Oo.
third set na tayo. Single digit pa rin to nga si Valdez, si Balse and si Bautista.
Yes.
Henson and Salamagas with 5 apiece.
Tough angle. Oh, Almiro got it.
Yep. Gets the check.
Ginawa ng paraan. Sapul si Jeff Ferrer. Sinagasaan ni Ami. We'll be back with more of this third set.